This is a magical indicator on Tradingview that has amazing accuracy. This indicator can help you get rid of false trading signals and increase your profit. I will explain this indicator in detail in this video, and I will also share some free indicators that, when used together with this indicator, form a strategy that has the capability to earn traders consistent profits in their trading. So without wasting any time, let's open our Tradingview chart. So I'm in Tradingview, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'll quickly remove these from the chart so I can explain their settings from the beginning. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart to explain this strategy. So to add this amazing indicator to our chart, first of all, click on the Indicators tab and type Signs of the Times. Look for the one written by Luce F. Add it to the trading chart. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it's now added to our chart. At first, it may seem a little confusing because there are different components and colors, but don't worry. I will explain all of them now and teach you how to effectively use this indicator to find the best trading opportunities in the market. First of all, I'll go to the settings of this indicator, remove the background colors, and add MA of MA. Now I can better show you the two components of this indicator, and then after this, I will explain the background colors later. The line that changes color between green and red is called an SOTT moving average. By default, it's set based on the Arnaud-Legault moving average. There are also other types of moving averages that you can choose from here, but I recommend using ALMA because it uses a Gaussian distribution that is shifted with a calculated offset, making the average closer to the more recent data. This eliminates minor fluctuations, enhancing the accuracy of the moving average. This is particularly useful for shorter time frames where we see more fluctuations in price movement. The line that changes color between blue and orange is a 20-period moving average of the S line. If you open the settings by default, the SOTT moving average length is set at 20, and the length of the moving average is also set at 20. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. When we turn on MA, the area between the moving average and the center line is colored based on the color of the moving average line. When moving average line is below the center line, the color is blue, indicating greater downside momentum in the price. When the moving average line is above the center line, the color is orange, indicating greater upside momentum in the price. Similarly, it is the same for this SEOTT line, but it provided a much earlier signal than the centerline crossovers. As you can see here, we got a centerline crossover, but the SOTT line gave this signal earlier. Now let's go to the settings of the indicator and turn on the background for the S line so I can show you how to visually interpret this indicator using the colors. When the SOTT moving average crosses above the moving average line, the area between the two lines becomes dark green. When the S line goes above the center line, it becomes lime or light green, indicating strong bullish pressure in the market. On the other hand, when the SEL line crosses below its moving average line, the area in between becomes red. And when the SL line goes below the center line, it becomes pink, indicating strong bearish pressure in the market. Not all bullish or bearish pressures result in extended price movements. These situations can also occur in pullbacks, and this is a major weakness of this indicator. To cover this, you need to add another indicator to filter these false signals. For example, let's add RSI to our chart. We can open the Indicators tab from here and add this one created Relative Strength Index. These two indicators are a good match because one shows the strength and pressure in the market and the other shows momentum and the extent of price movement, helping you identify overbought or oversold conditions. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. For instance, when the SLICE line goes below the center line and becomes pink and shows strong bearish pressure, we check the RSI. And if the RSI line is below the center line, showing greater downside momentum, and it's not oversold, we expect the price to decline further. Conversely, when the SC line goes above the center line and the area becomes light green, like it did here, it shows high bullish pressure. If the RSI is above the center line, showing greater upside momentum, and it's not overbought, we expect the price to move in the upwards direction. However, if the SC line is below the center line and the area is pink, but the RSI is above the center line, this likely indicates a pullback. Or if the SL line is above the center line, turning the area light green, but the RC is overbought, there's a probability of a price reversal, so we ignore this bullish signal. But in flat market conditions like these, it is not a good idea to use this indicator with an RSI. To use these signals as buy and sell signals, combine them with another indicator for flat market conditions. For instance, price action analysis or an ADX indicator can help. But a better use case of this indicator is confirming buy and sell signals from another indicator or a trading strategy. Let me close the RSI and show you another strategy. Click on Indicators and search for Andean Oscillator. Add this one, written by Alex Grover. It's a powerful indicator that shows increased upside or downside momentum and helps with trending or non-trending market. When the green line is above the orange line, it shows an uptrend. And when the red line is above the orange line, it shows a downtrend. And when the orange line is above the other two, it shows a flat market. We can use the crossing of the red or green line above the orange line as a buy or sell signal. So this is how you can open a buy position using these two indicators. For example, here the green line crossed above the orange line, indicating a buy signal. So we will look at our main indicator for confirmation. If it is light green in color, we know this means a strong upside pressure. So if these two conditions are fulfilled, you can open a buy position. You can set the stop loss below the previous swing low. And this trade is profitable trade, as you can see. Do you want signals like this 3 times a day? Then join our signals group for free buy and sell signals. Link is in description. Now let's go through one sell trade example using these two indicators. Here we can see the red line crosses above the orange line, giving a sell signal. Secondly, we want our main indicator to be pink in color, and we have already discussed that this indicates strong downside pressure. So after these two conditions are confirmed, we can open a sell trade here. This indicator effectively shows the strength of market movements, helping to confirm trading signals. However, no indicator or strategy guarantees 100% success. Losing positions are part of trading, so manage your risk properly. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. I'll see you guys in the next video.